In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use coupons on TEMU. Whether you're a seasoned shopper or just getting started, maximizing savings with coupons is always a smart move. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step so you can make the most of your next purchase on TEMU. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the TEMU website. Once the page loads, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't visited before. Now, to access all the features TEMU has to offer, you'll need to log in. So look to the top right corner of the page and click on the Sign In option. If you already have an account, go ahead and enter your login details. If not, take a moment to register. It's a straightforward process and well worth it for the benefits online accounts provide. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll notice your name or profile picture displayed at the top right corner, signaling that you're all set to explore TEMU's offerings with ease. Now click on your account icon in that same corner to access your account menu. This is where all the customization and personalization features come into play. On the menu, look for an option labeled Coupons and Offers. It's usually prominently displayed, so you shouldn't have trouble finding it. Clicking this takes you to a dedicated section where you can see what opportunities for savings are available. Once you're in this section, you'll find a field specifically meant for entering your coupon codes. Go ahead and type in the coupon code you have. Make sure you enter it just as it's provided, as codes are often case sensitive and require exact matches to be validated. After typing in the code, click the Apply button, which should be right next to the input field. If your coupon is valid, you'll see the discount applied to your total, and you're ready to continue shopping or start the checkout process with your savings intact. Now, before you rush off into a shopping spree, there's a crucial tip to keep in mind. Always check the terms and conditions of any coupon you're using. These details often include expiration dates, minimum spending requirements, and specific product eligibility. Overlooking these details can lead to errors and potentially missed savings. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to using coupons on TEMU. By following these steps, you're well on your way to ensuring you're not just purchasing wisely, but also gaining the most value from your shopping experience. Whether it's a small discount or significant savings, every little bit counts. Thanks for watching, happy shopping, and see you in the next video.